Hello students, today we will see the practical number 6 of industrial AC machine subject. The aim of the practical is control the speed of given three-phase motor using the methods auto transformer method and variable frequency method. So in this practical we have to control the speed of three-phase induction motor. We know that there are different types of methods to control the speed of induction motor, like the rotor resistance method. Next one is the stator voltage method, supply frequency method, pole changing method, variable frequency method. But in this practical we have to see only two methods. So first one is the auto transformer method and second one is the variable frequency method. So now we will see the circuit diagrams for the methods. So for first one we have to see the auto transformer method. In this method simply we are taking the three-phase AC supply 440 50 Hz AC supply. We are using the three-phase auto transformer to give the gradual voltage to the stator winding. So for this one we are using three-phase auto transformer. One voltmeter is connected to check the supply voltage. One ammeter in the R phase. This is the stator winding, and with respect to this rotor winding we are connecting. We have to check the speed of induction motor. So this is the simplest connection diagram. Generally we have to connect only three-phase auto transformer. By changing this auto transformer voltage, the speed we have to check with the help of tachometer. So the speed should get increases and increases. First reading I am giving the 150 volt with the help of this auto transformer. So we can see here I am giving the 150 volt. With respect to this one, the speed of induction motor will be. So for next reading I am increasing the voltage. It will be equals to 200 volt. So for the 200 volt we will see now what this 1460 rpm. So for the third reading I am giving the 300 volt for the third reading. So we will see now what will be the reading. So now here we can see the speed will get increases and increases from the 1460 to 1498 rpm. So we can conclude that whenever I am going to change the voltage with the help of this auto transformer, the speed will get increases and increases. So by auto transformer method we can control the speed of three-phase induction motor. So in this practical we have to control the speed of three-phase induction motor, but we are changing the method. We are using the VFD, that is the variable frequency drive. With the help of this variable frequency drive, simply we can change the frequency with the help of this knob. Here we can see the different parameters: frequency, ampere and the voltage. So with respect to this frequency, we know that this frequency and speed are directly proportional to each other. So when frequency will get increases and increases, the speed obviously will get increases. That we have to see in this practical. So for this one we are taking one VFD corresponding to voltage. What is the supply voltage? What is the supply voltage? So we are using the 1 voltmeter, and this is nothing but our three-phase induction motor. So now we will see the speed will get controlled or not with the help of VFD. For the first reading we are giving the 30.16, that is 30 Hz frequency. So with respect to this 30 frequency we have to measure the speed. So the speed will be 900 rpm. So for the 30 frequency the speed will be 900 rpm. So for the next reading I will increase the frequency. So for the next reading I will give almost 40. So frequency will be 40 hertz. So with respect to this one, the speed will get increases. The speed should get increases. So the speed will be 1208 rpm. So we can see here speed will get increases. So for the frequency 40, the speed will get increases. So now same procedure for the third reading. I am increasing the frequency. The frequency will be 50 hertz. So by noise also we can recognize that the speed will obviously get increases and increases. So the speed will get up to the 1495 rpm. So for the 50 hertz reading, the motor should indicate the rated speed that will be nearly equals to rated 1500, that is 1495 rpm. So we can conclude that by varying the frequency, the speed can be controlled with the help of this variable frequency drive. So we can see that the frequency will get increases, the speed will get also increases. Okay, thank you. Now here these are the readings from the practical. So from these readings we have to draw the plot, or we can simply draw the plot for the speed, voltage and the frequency and the speed. So we have the readings voltage 150 and the speed 694. With respect to increasing in the voltage, our speed will get increases. So simply we can see the our graph will be increases. So with respect to this voltage, our speed will get increases and increases with the three readings. Corresponding to this one again, second, for the frequency, we are taking the three frequencies 30, 40 and 50. With respect to the speed will get increases, we had seen in the practical. So here also the graph will be as a increasing. So frequency will get, whenever the frequency will get increases and increases, the speed will get increases and increases. Now we had concluded that the with the help of auto transformer method and the frequency method or the V by F method, the speed will get increase or increases, or we can control the speed of induction motor. Okay, thank you.